Welcome to this English practice session. In today's video, we'll go through a simple conversation between two people. This is a great opportunity for beginners to improve their listening and speaking skills. So, let's dive in and practice together. Hello.
Hi,
How are you?
I am fine. Thank you.
What is your name?
My name is Yvonne.
How old are you?
I am 22 years old.
What do you do?
I'm a student.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Can you speak English?
Yes, I can speak English.
Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
What's your favorite type of flower?
I love red flowers the most.
What time is it?
It is 3 p.m.
Where are you from?
I am from Canada.
Where do you live?
I live in Toronto.
How's the weather today?
It's sunny.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is chicken roast.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I enjoy playing football.
What's your favorite type of weather?
I enjoy a snowy winter weather the most.
What are you doing?
I'm reading.
Have you been to New York?
No, I haven't been there yet.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have 3 siblings.
Can you play a musical instrument?
I can't play any instrument.
Can you speak any other languages?
I can speak French.
What's your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby is gardening.
Can I have a glass of water?
Sure, here you go.
Can you help me with my homework?
No, I am busy now.
Can I borrow your pen?
Sure, here you go.
What's your favorite book?
My favorite book is Harry Potter.
What's your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is a cat.
What's your favorite holiday?
My favorite holiday is New Year's Day.
What's your favorite subject in school?
My favorite subject in school is English.
What's your favorite season?
My favorite season is spring.
Can you give me directions?
Sure, where do you want to go?
What is your favorite type of movie?
I love funny movies the most.
Do you enjoy photography?
Yes, I enjoy photography.
What's your favorite place in the world?
My favorite place in the world is Tokyo, Japan.
Do you like to go to the beach?
Yes, I like to go to the beach.
Do you like to go hiking?
Yes, I like to go hiking.
Can you ride a skateboard?
No, I cannot ride a skateboard.
Can you do yoga?
Yes, I am expert in yoga.
Where is the bathroom?
It's over there.
How much does it cost?
It costs $20.
Nice to meet you, John. Goodbye.
Bye.
Thanks for watching. I hope you found this conversation helpful for your English practice. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more lessons. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Keep practicing, and see you in the next video.